Butter, cleaned, portioned out chicken livers in lots of butter. Portuguese thing, but a very South African Portuguese thing.
Wow, a lot of garlic.
For cloves,
So some smoky paprika.
for that nice smoky flavor.
Peri peri.
It's optional to have the bacon. I know it's weird. Of a rum or brandy based liqueur. Add as much milk as you like for your sauce creamy.
Finish with butter.
Fresh cream would work. Instead of the milk and the butter, okay, we're gonna cut a nice round hat out of the brioche bun. Or whatever bun. Release it from its little bread bowl. Peri Peri Chicken Livers. Load it up.
Wow.
Oh my, does that look good?
And let's see how it is.
How's the chicken liver? Spicy?
Chicken livers are perfect.